Good morning, children. Children, today I'll be talking about a story from your textbook, and the title is A Robbery. It is about a case of robbery and 5 suspects. Vasant Colony was shocked. A house in the colony had been burgled. Mr. Sharma and his family had gone to attend a wedding. When they came back around midnight, their house was in a mess. All the jewelry and cash had been stolen. So, the incident took place in Vasant Colony with a family called Sharmas, who came back after a wedding party at midnight and found the house robbed of all jewelry and cash. They called the police. The police searched the whole house for clues. They found some footprints in the garden. There was a shoe near the garden wall. It must have come off while the thief was climbing over the wall. Inspector Naresh asked people in the neighborhood if they had seen anyone suspicious that night. Now, the police was called to look into the matter, and when the police started the investigation, they found some footprints and a shoe near the garden wall. And then Inspector Naresh questioned the people who were living around the house of Sharmas. Mr. Hussain, the next door neighbor of the Sharmas, said, "I heard some noise at night. I looked out of my window and saw someone climbing over the garden wall. Did you see him properly? What was he like?" asked Naresh. "Well, it was dark and I couldn't see very well. But I'm sure it was a man. He was tall and thin," said Mr. Hussain. Now, Mr. Hussain, who was the next door neighbor of Sharma's, had seen someone climbing over the garden wall, but he could not see the face because of darkness. So, Mr. Hussain was actually called as a witness. Now, witness is somebody who sees something happen, any incident or any such thing. And we also came across a word burgled. And burgled means what? What? It means robbed. Then the police questioned Raju, whose shop stood at the corner of the road. He could see the Sharma's house from his shop. Raju said, "I saw a man walking very fast. He came from the direction of the house. He was holding a bag close to his chest. I felt suspicious. I shouted at him to stop, but he ran away." Now, another witness to the incident was Raju, who was a shopkeeper at the corner of the road. Raju had seen a man walking very fast, holding a bag and coming from the direction of Sharma's house. Now, Raju also described his appearance as short, thin, with curly hair. Now, suspicious means what? It means to feel that something is wrong. So, I felt suspicious, the meaning is given here also. It means that something was not right. What did he look like? Asked the inspector. He was short and thin. He looked quite scared. He wore black trousers and blue shirt. He had curly hair. Now, like I said earlier, that Raju also described his appearance as what? As short, thin, with curly hair. The Sharmas then told the police that Samir, the ice cream vendor at the end of the road, might know something. He sold ice cream till late at night. The ice cream vendor said, "Yes, I saw someone suspicious. It was 11 p.m. He was a bald man with a mustache. He was walking very fast. He kept looking back. I'm sure he was the thief, he said. Now, the ice cream vendor has also seen someone suspicious at what time? At around 11 pm. And he described him as what? As a bald man with a mustache who was walking very fast. The Manis, who lived 2 houses away from the Sharmas, said that they had come home late after watching a movie. As they reached their house, they saw 2 young men on a motorcycle driving past recklessly. I'm sure they were thieves in a hurry to get away, said Mrs. Money. Why do you think so? Asked Naresh. They looked like ruffians, she said. Could you see their faces? Asked Inspector Naresh. I just got a glimpse. Both had long hair, but one had a beard. Now, the Manis, the neighbor of Sharmas. They had also seen 2 young men riding motorcycle very fast as if they were running away from the scene. And they too had not been able to see the face clearly. Driving past recklessly means what? Here it means driving away dangerously. Or we can say uncaring of danger. And then we also come across a word, ruffians. And ruffians means what? Troublemakers, especially those who are involved in a crime. And this word here, glimpse, it means to have a sight of someone or something just for a moment. The police caught 5 men who matched the descriptions given by all the witnesses. Inspector Naresh called each of these suspects to his room and questioned them in detail. At the end of the day, the police arrested Gattu. Can you guess why? Inspector Naresh asked each suspect to try on the shoe found in the garden. It fit Gattu perfectly. So, the police, after proper investigation, called hold of all the 5 suspects and were called by Inspector Naresh to his room. Each suspect was asked to try the shoe, and it was Gattu who was the thief, because the shoe fit on Gattu perfectly. Now, apparently there were many witnesses to the robbery, but it was a shoe finally that played the main role in helping the police to catch the thief. So children, this was all about the story, A Robbery. I hope you understood the story well. Now read the chapter carefully so that all the concepts are clear to you. Thank you, children.